Onondaga, Seneca, southern Cayuga, southern Oneida, Steuben, and Yates. Wind advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. What? West winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Northern Oneida, Onondaga, Madison, southern Oneida, Steuben, Yates, Seneca, and southern Cayuga counties. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. A line of thunderstorms with gusty winds will track across New York and Pennsylvania.